dancing. Height and ano size na suot mo, Kap? Malaki siya. Hindi kasi ako masyadong fan ng maliliit na t-shirt. I love big t-shirts. So, lahat ng shirts ko malalaki. Pero di ko sure, parang free size to. Can you speak English? A little bit. Add to cart ko muna. Hoy, i-check out nyo na yan. I-check out nyo na yan, guys. Agad-agad. Para magkamukha tayo ng t-shirt. So, ngayon, hindi ko alam kung paano siya tatanggalin. Here, oh, let me pin it. There! Guys, you can see it now. Thank you, Josh. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Ano design? This is the yung ganito, yung pink with ribbon design at the back of the shirt. Para magkakamukha tayo ng shirt kapag nagkita-kita tayo. It looks so cute, eh. It's pink. It's pink, right? May buyer agad? Really? Bakit hindi ko nakikita yung bumibili? Ano ba yan? Akala ko makikita ko. So cute. Thank you, Ate Cha. Thank you po. Yes, I'm a Filipina. I'm a Filipina. Ate Jem, can you do a dance cover next? Thank you kay Emmanuel. Oh my gosh, I'm not really confident dancing. Oo, wala akong confidence sumayaw. The clothes are really nice. Yeah. You can check it. You can check out this on my yellow basket. Can you see the yellow basket there? Thank you, Ate Cha. Thank you, Kuya Manuel. Thank you, Zaira. Thank you, guys. I love you too. I love you. Ako Shintagamu. Hi, Agent. Hi, Juan Lucas. No, I just started my live. Your voice is very nice. Really? You think my voice is nice? Thank you. Terima kasih, Ayang. Hi, Dane. Hi, Nai. Hi, Sasal. Sis Jim, can you say hello to me? Hi, Yumna. You look like Fanny. Yeah. Some of you guys told me even before that me and Fanny is somehow, you know, similar. Hello ka, Jem. Hi, Mava. Hi, Say. Hi, Jassy. I miss you. I love your vibe. You love my vibe? Really? Thank you. Thank you, Nyao. Thank you. Okay, I will unpin the, tatanggalin ko na yung product kasi baka maban tayo. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. But if you want to have a same shirt like mine, you can check out that on my yellow basket. Big size sa'yo, sakto lang sa akin. Big size to. Big size sa akin, baka sakto lang sa'yo. Baka fitted sa... Ha! Baka fitted! Yes, I know, Shani. And thank you guys for tagging Shani on my Rhapsody cover here. I hope she can see my cover. I love Shani. Thank you, Garashi. Thank you for following me, Mills. And guys, happy 176k followers on TikTok! Ako, Zalwa. Is that you, Zalwa? Really, Zalwa? Is that you? Is that you, really? Hi, Zalwa. I miss you a bunch. I miss you so much. I missed you. Hi, Task Force 40A. Ay, oh my God, sorry. Napin ko yung comment. Just a few words, yes. Just a few words. Hi, Rama! Ashi and JKD48. I love all of them, but my favorite member is Freya! Hi, my love. Hi, Debbie. What song cover next, Gem? I don't know. I don't know what other song I can cover. How about JKT48's Green Flash? Yung headband i-basket type ni May. Eto? Oh my gosh! I bought this on Miniso. The Barbie collection. Guys, I love pink things talaga. Like, super. Kung kaya ko nga i-pink lahat ng damit ko, gagawin ko eh. Hi, Zalwa. I missed you so much. Hi, Cap. Hi. So cute. Thank you. Yeah, I know Adele. I know. Hi, ZZ Lord. Wow, you're Oshi and JKT48 friend. Yeah, but I love all of them. I love Adele. Charis. I love Z. I love Marsha and Muth. I love all of them. And And guys, do you know Cynthia? Cynthia and I is actually exchanging messages. And if you know Catherine Nixie, do you guys know Catherine Nixie? Catherine Nixie followed me here on TikTok. Do you guys know her? Yes, guys, please continue streaming Summertime on Spotify. Do you want me to cover Eureka with my electric guitar? I like Adele. Yeah, me too. A lot. Keme! Kung love mo Pink Ate Jem, ikaw naman ang love ko. Ay! My Oshi at MNL48 is just you. Just me? Really? Oh my god, I feel so flattered. Huh? Jem, pose please. Keme, pose. Kathleen Nixie, you can call her Kathy. Oh yeah. Okay, so Kathy actually followed me here on TikTok and she's liking lots of my videos here on TikTok. So I feel so overwhelmed. She's very nice because she heart some of my random videos here on TikTok. Kathy, yeah, Kathy, okay. Hi, Kay. Oh, wow. Thank you. Jem, why are you so beautiful? Really? Do you think I'm pretty? Do you think I'm pretty? If you will rate my face 1 to 10, what is the ratings? What is the ratings? Naging television. Naging network. Oh, trainee in JET48. Wow. Nice. She's really pretty. Thank you, Solid Snakes. Oh my gosh, how are you? It's been a while since the last time I saw you watching my live. Thank you for being here. 10 just for you. If you will rate my nose, napaka-random. If you will rate my eyes, 1 to 100, what is the ratings? Ratings? Yeah, I have lots of eye bugs. This is actually one of the yeah. You're very funny, really. Well, I'm a comedian here in the Philippines. Nilaro yung mga ano no. Your face is perfect for me, really. But my face is asymmetrical, not symmetrical. Kap, sabi mo mag-cover ka ng 17. Yeah. Ay, sabi ko, Debbie, 200k. Hindi 100. Hoy, 200 yon. Thank you, Freds. Thank you, Colette Recalde. So beautiful and cute, Jem. Thank you. I like your eyes, Jem. Round eyes. Really? I think my eyes is not really round. It's kinda small. Thank you, not me. Thank you. Thank you, Bon Bon. Thank you, not me. You're still beautiful even if you are not symmetrical. Oh, wow. Thank you, Maka. You really made me happy tonight. This is from Owndays. I bought my eyeglasses on Owndays. Hi, Kai Kai. Ano ang permission mo, Kai Kai? I really like your eyes. If you will choose, what is your favorite part of my face? What is your favorite part of my face, guys? Wala nang matapik, no? Nilaro na lang yung mga tao. Nakakabalas. What is your favorite part of my face? Is that my nose, my lips, my eyebrows? Really? Lahat po. Lips? Oh my god. This is very very dry. Mata. Eyebrows? Really? Hindi ako nag-eyebrows eh. I can choose because they are all perfect. Oh, wow. Jemima, na-post ko na yung Gem as your GF naka-video. Ay, itag mo ako dyan, bebe ko. My eyes! My eye looks pretty, really? Parang hindi naman. Ang sarap ng coffee ko. Ay, thank you for sharing. Baka mukhang creepy kapag sinabi ko yung iilang part sa face. Yung tenga nyo po. I love your ears. Ano pala? All your face I fave. You look so pretty. You're so perfect. You're so perfect as well, baby. Hindi po matangos ang ilong ko. Ano lang po yan. Yung nunal. Yeah, may nunal ako dito. Tapos may nunal din ako dito. Yeah, may nunal din ako dyan. Tapos may nunal din ako dito. Hi, Tasha! Thank you! Hi, Kish Kish! Hi, Ika! Skincare ko po ay, antibacterial soap po. Ano na po yun? Body and face. I just use antibacterial soap in my body, in my face. And, yun lang. You know, sino ang vice captain ng MNL48? Sa ngayon po, wala pa pong na-e-elect. Sa susunod na election po, iaano ko po kayo. I will update you. Who will be the next vice captain of the Philippines of MNL48? I'm glad na masayahin ka. Yes, I'm a very happiness person. I'm a very jolly person. I love laughing and smiling. Yeah. Jem, you're beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you for the power hacks. Hi, Shani. Yes, guys. If you followed me here on TikTok, I hope you can follow me on Instagram as well. If you really love me, guys, if you really love me, you will also follow me on my Instagram account. Guys, follow me on my Instagram account. I've been receiving a lot of followers here on TikTok. I hope the moment you follow me on TikTok, you can follow me as well on my Instagram account. Is that okay with you? Charot. Ginawang concert. Kanta na lang ulit tayo ng JKT48 songs, please. Pilitin mo muna ako, Tasha. Tasha, pilit me. What's the English of pilit? Ikaw muna. Uy, nagagalit na nga si Aling Mirna eh. Si Aling Mirna ba yun? Yung nagagalit sa A? Sino wala pa uso ng AA na yan? Sabi ni Aling Mirna. Si Aling Mirna ba yun? Jem, you should know that. What should I know? I don't know how to speak Indonesian. Me as well. Kanta na ikaw. Ay, sorry. Sorry kung dumaldal muna ako. Sorry kung hindi ko nagampanan na maayos yung ano. Thank you, Nyaw. What are you today? What am I today? I'm a cat. I'm a cat today. I'm a Barbie today. Kumahadamang. What's the meaning of that? You know what? You make me happy when I'm sad. What is it? Thank you, Colette Recalde. Mag-feeling ako na kunwari si Colette talaga yung nagsisend. Napaka-feeling. Thank you, Colette. Napaka-feeling. Pinapanood mo din pala si Aling Mirna. Thank you, Mayo. Love you. Thank you. Magandang gabi din sa'yo, Kay. Lesha, pose. Thank you for the power hugs, everyone. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Jem, ang ganda ni Colette ng concert dito sa Cebu. Ang ganda nga. Ang ganda nila. Ang ganda mo din ng concert. Thank you, Ate Cha. Thank you. Jem, are you the captain of MNL48? If I will say yes, will you believe me? Charis. Yes, I am the current overall captain of the Philippines of MNL48. Nag-hi siya sa akin. Okay lang. Okay lang. Ano siya? Mag-hi din siya sa akin next time pag nagkita na kami. Thank you, Ate Cha. Di talaga nakakatampo. Ano ba yung nakakatampo? Hoy, Giselle, akala ko ba matutulog ka na? Kaya nga hindi ko pinurso yung, ang tawag doon, yung application ko today kasi matutulog ka na, di ba? Hindi na ako makapagtanong sa'yo. Thank you, Rama. Just sing again. Ay, sorry. Sorry po kung dumadaldal ako. Gusto niyo po pala ako kumakanta. Kasi kakanta na po ako. Sorry po ha. Sorry kung hindi muna ako kumakanta. Sige, ano po bang gusto niyong kanta? Naging fiesta. What song? What? Hirap mag-English pag gabi. Parang kapag kagabi wala na akong alam mag-English. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Can you sing Ay Takada from JKT48? Oh, I don't know. I still don't know how JKT48 sing Ay Takada, but let me listen to it. Ay Takada. Is that the same title for MNL for JKT? Let's see. Let's see. Let me try to guess how they pronounce the song, the words in Ay Takada. Oh, say Ay Takada, Ay Takada, Ay Takada. Yes. Tangamu. Bersepeda menjanjaki begitu, sewaktu tenagaku kayu pedalnya, angin pun mulai mengenang. I don't know. Let's listen to it na lang. Miss mo na? Miss ka ba? Good night, Zai Zai. Ang sweet ng boses mo, yes, because I'm a cherry on top. Kumain ka na ba? Kumahadamang? Oh, kumahadamang? Kumahadamang? Everyone, kumahadamang semuanya. Semuanya means everyone, right? Kumahadamang semuanya. Kamu cantik banget. Wow, terima kasih. Only today, please. Can you teach me how to speak in Indonesian? Can you teach me how to speak with your language? Like for example, semuanya means everyone, right? So can I say, ako cantik kamu semuanya? Or that is wrong? How can I say, I love you everyone, I love you guys? How can I say that? Salamat malam, Jem. Salamat malam. Salamat pagi po, Jem. Hi, Noya. Thank you. Ako Shinta Kalian. Kalian. Okay. Ako Shinta Kalian semua. Is that correct? Ako Shinta. Ako sayang. Oh. Ako sayang kalian. Ako sayang kalian semua. Is that right? Kalian means you guys. Okay. Oh, ang ganda po ng boses nyo. Oh wow, thank you. To my 200 billion people here on my live, I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. I love you too, Iza. Hi, Hangagal Boya. May Jiko. Mijiko is, I introduce myself like this. Pika Pika, Pikachu. Hi, I'm Pikachu. Please, post please, I will come in. Thank you, Sebi, thank you. You want me to sing Magic Hour? Okay, let's sing Magic Hour. You're Jiko cute like you. Really? Do you like my Jiko? So, starting today, you will call me Pika Gem, ha? Not Gem. Pika Gem, because I love Pikachu.
You may now.
Thank you, Niao. Thank you for the gifts, everyone. I hope the people you love will also send you power hugs, just like how you send power hugs here on my live. Thank you guys! We already have 360 power hugs! Oh my god! This is Magic Hour by JKT48 and my love. Dari balik ruang rahasia berbisik memori yang pedih, labirin hati yang terluka menyimpan sebuah misteri. Mantra ini deras dan meracuni, menyiksa janji yang terkunci. Pandora's magic has been set free. Waktu tak terulang kembali. TikTok. Hey, where's your wand? Abracadabra, it's only just a trick. Now you see me, now you don't. Show me magic, bring it on. Oh my god, I need water. Over me. Camila. I still don't know the chorus version. I'm still learning how to sing the chorus part. High five! Oh my gosh, that's your first gift, Carl. Thank you. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. I will, guys, I will make a cover of meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Wow, kumukulot yung pusa. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I will make a cover of that song. Do you like me to make a cover of that song? Meow, 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 meow. Meow, This is a very sad song, guys. Eme lang. Nilalaro ko na lang kayo. Di ba kayo nakakahalata na nilalaro ko na lang kayong lahat? You want me to make a cover of this? Okay. Full cover, yes. Thank you, Randall. Thank you. Hi, Billa. Hi. Thank you, Garasi. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to... Full cover of Meow Meow, please. Okay, I'll take note of that. Meow Meow Meow. Meow 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 Meow. Hindi ko maliw sa magbabas. Malilip ko lang yung chakrawala. Parang kaajaibang nagkamalamat na mo. Okay, let me sing Rhapsody instead because I'm more confident singing Rhapsody because that's my favorite JKT48 song. And you're my favorite.
Bago matulog,
Who is the new captain of JKT48 now since Shani already graduated? Who is the new captain? Ay, parang kailangan ko ng tubig. Kulihat ada yang bersinar di kedua bola matamu. Kau buat gelap ini jadi penuh cahaya dan kilau pesona. Kasih andai anganku bersuara, dia akan bernyanyi Rhapsody indah yang akan bermuara di fajar hati. Kali ini kita berjanji jadi manis, jadi saksi bahagia hingga sang bumi enggan berputar lagi. I need to drink. My favorite Oshi. Who's your favorite Oshi? Thank you, Danok. Do you guys love this song? I love this song. Super. You just farted? Kasih andai anganku bersuara, dia akan bernyanyi Rhapsody indah yang akan bermuara di fajar hati. Kali ini kita berjanji jadi manis, jadi saksi bahagia hingga sang bumi berputar lagi. When will there be another original single? I still don't know, my love. Thank you guys. Hi Kit Kit. Charot. Kasih tanganku bersuara di fajar hati. Kali ini kita berjanji jadi manis, jadi saksi bahagia untuk selamanya. Kasih andai anganku bersuara, dia akan bernyanyi Rhapsody indah yang akan bermuara di fajar hati. Kali ini kita berjanji jadi manis, jadi saksi bahagia hingga sang bumi. Kasih Hi sa Tipa. Hi everyone. Hi guys. Thank you for sending. Thank you for sending a lots of power hacks and also oh wow. Nasaan na ang aking mga Tupperwares? Grabe, 50k. Wala pang 15 minutes. 50k na agad tayo, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys. Jem, can you post 5 times? 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano yung Tupperware? Mga toppers, mga nagtatap ng screen. Thank you guys. Road to 60k na tayo. Kapitana is so kawaii. Really? Do you think I'm kawaii? Kawaii des? Kawaii? Yun pala yun, with a smile. Kinanta ko yun before kasi hindi ko kaya kasi ang baba niya. Pasuwat Curtas. Yeah, I know that as well. Pasuwat Curtas karaoke. Okay. I've been awake for a while now. Guys, can you accompany me? I'll just go downstairs. I need to drink water. I need to drink water, guys. Can you guys go with me? Because I really need to drink water. Wait a minute, guys. I just need to drink. Bakit? Nag-iyak ikaw? Guys, I just need to drink water. So pretty. Oh, wow. Thank you. You don't use cherry blossom clips anymore, Jem. What do you mean cherry blossom clips? The cherry the clips, the color pink. Well, I have it. I still have it. But now I'm using a headband. I love you, Hangagal Boya. I love you. Guys, I will just drink my water, ha? Lagi ka po ba may sipon? Hindi po, ganito lang po talaga ako. Even yung water ko, guys, look. Even my water is color pink. Even my water is color pink. Mismo na yung cooking show ko, hindi muna ako nagluluto eh, kasi wala na akong gas. Oh my gosh, guys, nakita niya ba yung gusto ko na gitara? Ganda, di ba? Ano pa ba gusto niyong kanta? Maganda ako kanta. Charot. Hi! Mahal, 32 kyaw. Pero kailangan ko siyang pag-ipunan kasi sobrang dream ko yung gitara na yun. Mahal siya pero kasi talaga, parang hindi ko parang kapag ako nagkaroon nun, higa ako sa pedestrian lane. Hi Din! Thank you, Joshua! Oh my gosh, Drake, you're here! I miss you, Drake! I miss you, Birds on the Same Feather. Parang hindi ko pa siya kayang kantahin, hindi ko pa siya naaaral. Excuse me! Excuse me. I love you, Hangagal Boya. Charot! Minsan sa aming paglalakad kami napadpad sa... Charot! Aking mga kasama sa dilim na ayaw nilang pumasok pa na gintuan na. Ano ba sabi mo? Pero ako sa luwanan na Chicago kahit kahit na masaktan di ka tatakutan kahit ang kadiliman di uurong ang kahilang mangarap ay pinaglalahaban sa isyon o usad inaroon. This is my favorite stuffed toy because it's color pink. Hi Adelia! I promise I will learn other Indonesian songs, okay? Hindi maipagmamalaki kung mahina ang loob. Itaas ang sarili. Charot. Wala na akong ginawang maayos. Hadilim na takot na ayaw nilang pumasok pa na pintuan na. Kamusta si Ryan? Ryan, how are you? I hope you're doing well, okay? Just always remember that we're always waiting for you to be okay. Okay? Okay? Take your meds. Drink a lot of water and pray. Okay? Okay? Matulog na ikaw. Titiisin ko sa isyon o sa inaroon. Ito na, Flying High. Let's play Flying High by JKT48. Flying high, lyric ko. Woke up in the morning, feel that likely tip. I turn up the glasses, boy, I wanna hit this city. I don't wanna be, touch my dream into body of water. I'm kinda deep, I can convert it, flying back. Iba pala yun. I'm sitting pretty, I'm enjoying the view. We're flying high. Celebration, made it from the bottom to the top. Finally free from my emancipation. I can hardly believe I made it this far. I feel the wave, I feel the love, I feel the energy. I'm on my way to better days. There ain't a thing that can stop me now. I'm sitting pretty, I'm enjoying the view. I'm flying high, high, high. Good night, Ryan. Papuin muna natin siya. Thank you, not me. Thank you, Ate Ria. Mag-inom kayo ng bagay talaga sa'yo ang pink. Kaya wala naman choice ang pink kundi maging bagay sa akin kasi favorite color ko siya eh. Town, I can see so clear than all clouds. Zoom, zoom on my way like a rocket. Nothing in my way to stop it now. My friends are tight, things alright. I'm extra, shoes trick a fiesta. Loving this life so blessed. Ay, dalawang pag-ibig niya. Dalawang pag-ibig niya. That can stop me now. I'm feeling kitty, I'm enjoying the view. Dalawang pag-ibig niya, karaoke. Karaoke. Hi, Vinvin! Hi, Zira! Thank you, darling. You're welcome, darling. Same po kayo ni Stako, mahilig sa pink. Kaya nga eh, wow. That's so nice. Narinig nyo ba, guys? Come on. Come on. Woo! Thank you, Shinchin. Let's go! Unang araw pa lang kitang nakita, ako'y nabighani mo na. Ngunit palagi ba akong tulala, tuwing lalapit sa'yo na bigla. First time na may love sa isang tulad mo, ang puso ko'y tumitibok, very loud at todo. I'm feeling nervous, what it means, is it love, ewan ko. Pero pinili mo'y pabebe, swelpi lang ang gusto, kaya... Ayoko na mabuhay sa mundo! Sira-sira na yung idol image ko ngayon! Meron kasi akong binabasa habang kumakanta ako. Kaya ako natawa. Ayoko na. Nagmamalfunction na ako. Kailangan ko na ng kailangan ko na mag-recharge. Kailangan na magbundok. Lobat na po yung manika. Kailangan na pong i-charge. Kailangan na pong dalhin sa sa charging station. Are you Filipina? Yes, I'm a Filipina. Thank you, Shinta. Ayoko na, guys. Share up. Guys. Nakikita niyo ba nagmamalfunction na ako? Parang wala na. Expired na yung pagiging idol ko daw. Keme. Kasi hindi naman siya real, fake account lang pala. Kaya don't be so sure sa kanya. If ever may pagtingin sa akin talaga, ewan ko ba kung bakit. Kasi nakakatawa kasi may nagte-text kasi sa akin. Ayoko na. Expired na po yung load. Ano pong paborito mong pagkain? Kahit ano po, basta makakain. Okay lang kahit basta makakain. Ayoko na nga guys, wait lang. Regroup guys. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Regroup muna guys, regroup muna tayo, ha? Mag-regroup muna tayo. Regroup. Di ba nawala na sila kasi? Tama na guys. Life must go on. Yes, I shall return. Parang hindi connected. So, ayun guys, wait lang. Umalis muna yung mga Indos kasi hindi na ako nag-i-Indonesian kung ano na pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko. Pero, ayun guys, at least nandito yung aking mga foundation sa buhay. Thank you guys for being here with me. Nagiging pink ka na rin. Ay, we. Jem, thanks you. Hi, Callie. Ano ang paborito mong pagkain? My favorite food is hot dogs. Charot. My favorite food is bacon. Keme ulit. I don't have a favorite food. I love all of the foods in the Philippines. Kare-kare, oo. Pero kasi ako, guys, hindi ako maarte sa pagkain, ha? Hindi ako maarte sa, why are you laughing? I don't know as well. I think like I'm malfunctioning because my battery is already empty. So I need to change it. Yes. If you guys know, I'm a doll. To those who don't know me, I'm actually a doll. I have a battery here on my back. So I always put a battery on my back. So every time that the battery is, you know, the battery is low bat. Tagalog low bat. The battery is out of charge. I need to go to the mountain so I can charge it. Yes. Yes, that's me. That's why I'm malfunctioning today because my charging schedule is next week. Yes. Oh, thank you for following me, Callie. Salamat, Malam. Thank you, Policis Streamer. Have a good night. Tara na sa bundok. Tara na, magbundok na tayo. Itong kulay ko na to, mawawala na to. Mawawala na naman to sa pagkatapos kong magbundok. Alis muna ako, baby. Okay, Death Cub. You are welcome, pretty lady. Thank you. Hi, Jem. You're really beautiful. Really, you love hiking too? Yeah, I love hiking. Yeah. If you will check my Instagram account, go check my Instagram account and follow me. You will see there my story highlights. So I highlighted all of my mountaining experience. Yes, I started hiking this year, January, and I want to continue it up to the moment that I, you know. Ay, hindi ba ikaw yung nagbabay? Sino ba yung nagbabay? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Hi, Banana. Gusto ko pumunta na Philippines. Oh my gosh, Ra, go here na. You guys must visit Philippines. And then after that, go back to Indonesia again. Why are you like hiking? I love hiking because it calms my mind. So every time I go to mountains or to a place that actually make me feel the nature, it calms my mind and my heart. Tatanggal ng stress, yun lang in short. Actually, I made a cover, Chella. I made a cover of Rhapsody here on my TikTok profile. Do you think I'm pretty? Thank you, Za. You're so cute. Oh, thank you. Pretty and cute at the same time. Grabe naman kayo, ah. You're really complimenting na everyday. Bakit ako nadidighay? When I go hiking, I end up getting stranded every time. Why? What type of mountain are you climbing? Why you got stranded? Are you not tired hiking and doing MNL activities all together? Oh! I'm tired of hiking more. Charot. Mas nakakapagod mag-hiking kasi no! If you love what you're doing, you will never get tired. Ayoko na nanalo na yung intrusive thoughts ko palagi. Hi, Ochicha! Pero yes, guys, I love hiking. That's my sports. My sports! Tara hiking sa Mount Everest. Kailan ka po sasali sa PUP 48? Paano kailan sasali sa PUP 48? I'm beautiful, thank you. Ilang kayo magkakapatid? We're three brothers and sisters. Nagmamalfunction na ako, guys. Siguro hindi kasi ako okay nung mga nakaraang araw kaya ganito ako ngayon. Anyways, guys, just keep on tapping the screen. We are now road to 100 hearts. Thank you. Pero along the trail, nag-iisip, ba't ko ba pinapagod ang sarili ko? Tama, may mga ganyan. Pero ako, kapag nahihirapan ako sa trail, ang ginagawa ko, ay, lilipas din to. Alam niyo yun? I'll go hiking to the middle of nowhere mountains. Oh. Zyrinx. Yan, dito si Zyrinx. Need na nga magpahinga. Yeah. How old are you? I'm 36 years old. Joke! I'm 25! I'm 25 years old. Hi, FJKT48 Freya. Bakit hindi ka okay? Wala lang. Okay naman ako. Okay naman ako. Hindi lang okay minsan. Kulang lang sa bundok yan, Kap. Yeah, I know. What mountain have you ever climbed? Oh, well, I already climbed 9 mountains. And still counting. I'm planning to... It's my dream to climb mountains in other countries. Because for the meantime, I'm starting to climb mountains here in the Philippines. But it's part of my bucket list to actually try or hike mountains in other countries as well, especially in Asia. My dream mountain is Mount Rinjani. If you guys know that in Indonesia, I want to climb Mount Rinjani. Baon ka madami water sa Marigle, mainit kasi doon. Kaya nga ate Cha, magdadala ako ng yung binibiling tubig at tigda 30 pesos. Charis. Is that in Bali? Hi Jem, you and Ira are in the same class. No! Graduate na ako. Huwag mo na akong ibalik ulit sa school. Yeah, I want to go to Bromo. Yeah, I want to go to Bromo as well. If I will go to Indonesia, I will visit Bromo. I want to visit Bromo because Bromo is, you know, there's a lot of good, ano bang tawag doon? Magaganda yung paligid. Good environment. Nasa school tayo ngayon, remember? Nasa international school tayo, yes. What is your course? I took Bachelor of Public Administration. So, it's more of government ordinances, government laws. So, sooner or later, I'm planning to take law school or to enroll in a law school. But, I don't know. I still don't know what's the next step I'll do. Yeah, gusto ko mag-lawyer. Oo nga. Good night, RHW. Good night. Dapat proud na proud sa'yo ang mga magulang mo. Yes, my parents are so proud of me. We're not showy lang talaga sa social media. But, yeah. They're so proud of me, guys. My parents. I'm so happy and lucky to have the kind of parents that I have now. They're so kind. They are really supportive. They're really nice talaga, guys. Hindi nyo lang sila madalas makita, no? Makikita nyo sila kapag hindi ko alam kung kailan nyo sila makikita kasi hindi sila nagpapakita. Yung tatay ko lang yung nagpapakita. What's your job right now? Oh, my job? Well, aside from being an idol, for now, I still don't have a professional job for the meantime. But I'm already processing all of my papers for application so I can get a job aligned to my course. Ayan na, naging seryoso na ako. My favorite food in Indonesia is martabak. I love martabak. So if you guys will go here in the Philippines, please bring martabak, guys. Bring martabak, a lot of martabaks, please. Yeah, 25 na ako. Hanap tayo ng position sa planning department. Ate Cha, talaga, maghanap-hanap na tayo. Pero Ate Cha, lahat ng sinend mo sa akin, sisendan ko. Yung dalawa yun, di ba? Yung sa Dugudung, sa Katigading, di ba? Hi, Jem, when are you coming to Indonesia? I don't know. Kapag may ticket na ako, nasa na ba yung ticket na yon? Martabak mani, I don't know. Is there different types of martabak? Tiyak na pinagmamali ka ng iyong magulang. I want to learn Philippine language. Oh, it's easy to learn our language because our language is kind of similar. The pronunciation, some words has the same meaning as well. So, it will be easy for you to learn, I think. Do you like noodles? Yes, I like noodles. I want to try the mee goreng. Is that mee goreng? I forgot. Never mind. You are very polite to fans. I like your character. Oh, thank you. Yes, of course, I love my fans. They are the reason why I'm here. They are the reason why I have an incredible idol journey. So whatever happens, my fans will be the first people, the first group of people that I will be thankful of. Because they are the reason why I have everything that I have now. You love Adele, Jem? Yes, I love Adele. I love all JKT48 members. I love their manager as well. How much is your braces? Hindi ko alam kasi monthly ko to binabayaran eh. You're so talented and beautiful. You're a perfect a center girl. Oh, thank you, but I'm not a center girl. Jem, you speak English is very good. Really? Oh, wow. Thank you, Lex D. Straight ka ba? Mamaya po, i-check ko po kung straight po ako. City of Star bagay sa voice. Kanta po yan. Your boyfriend is very lucky guy to have a beautiful girl like you. Yes. Yes, I will tell him that kapag na-meet ko na siya in the future. Hi, Jem. Who's with you? I'm your neighborhood. Ah, you're my neighborhood. Thank you for paying the Wi-Fi. That's the reason why I can do my live. Yes na lang. Do you like JKT48? Yes, of course. Oh, so you're single? Yes, of course. Because I'm part of MNL48. Anong oras nag-start si Jem? Mga ano? Anong oras ba ako nag-start? Mga 9:30? 9:40 ako nag-start. Talaga ba? 1 hour na tayo nagla-live? Totoo ba yun, guys? Hala, need ko na pala mag-end. Mga 11:20 mag-end na ako. Grabe, 1 hour na tayo 9:40. Tapos 10:40 na ngayon. Oh. Grabe, 1 hour na tayo nag-uusap-usap. Hoy, akala ko 15 minutes lang. Hi, Ardolph. Come to the US. Do you want me to go to US? I want to visit. I don't know what's my dream place in US eh. Hawaii. I want to visit Hawaii siguro. But my ultimate dream place to visit, like the ultimate place that I want to visit is actually Switzerland. And then sa Philippines, ang pinaka-ultimate na one ko i-visit ay Batanes. I want to go to Batanes. I want to travel solo in Batanes. That's my dream. You speak English is very good. How many to study for speaking English? Oh well, here in the Philippines, actually, English is our second language. So, the moment you attend classes, the moment you attend school, it kinda mandatory for you to learn English. Yes. I like your style, really? Thank you. When you stop TikTok, what do you mean I stop TikTok? Magic Hour, please, Jem. I made a cover of Magic Hour. Did you guys already seen it? Palagi kang maganda. Thank you. Gusto kong malaman ng wika. Anong wika? Wikang Pilipino? I'll end my live at exactly 11:20 p.m. Ate Jem Pilipino. Parang si Dora pala to explorer din. Yeah, I'm such a explorer. Bye po, inaantok na ako. Guys, ba't kayo inaantok na? Di pa tayo nag-uusap-usap eh. Di ko pa kayo nakakamusta. So, how's your day, guys? How's your work? How's your heart, guys? How are you today? Like, really, how are you today? Sanity check. How are you today? Nakakapagod ba ang araw? MNL 48 is from the Philippines. MNL is the capital of the Philippines, meaning Manila. Kailan ako makakapunta sa Pilipinas? Maybe soon! Thank you, Kuya Jen. Thank you, Baby Tower. I'm good. Everything is fine despite the rough roads. Aww. Porky cover. Anyways, guys, just keep on tapping the screen. We are now road to 100k hearts. Thank you so much. And we already have 430 power hugs, guys. 430 power hugs. So, our goal is 2,000 power hugs today. Okay? Thank you, Callie. Your glasses is beautiful. Oh, thank you. Hindi ka natutulog? Siyempre, tutulog naman ako. Nakakapagod, pero napawi dahil nandyan dahil nandyan. Oh, thank you. Hi, Fadshri VT48. Yes, I am the current overall captain of MNL 48. Ashe ko po si Colleen. Me too. Your skin is so beautiful. Oh, wow. Thank you, Callie. Thank you. Thank you for complimenting me. I like the way you speak English. Very good. Really? Oh, wow. Thank you. Hello, Ate Jem. Hi, Jillian. Can you teach Filipino? Okay. If you say hello sa Monya. Ay, okay. Hindi pala. If you say ako sinta kamu, you can say in Tagalog, you can say mahal kita. Ako sinta kamu means mahal kita. Wow, thank you FGKT48 Freya. Hi Tom, mahal kita Jem. Yes, that's correct. It's already 10:47 here in the Philippines. We are 1 hour advance. Mahihain ka ba? Opo. Mahihain po ako. Like, I'm a very shy person. Hi, Nyaw! Hi, everyone! So, kahapon hindi ako okay. Kasi tinatamad ako. Pero ang dami kong realization din kahapon, guys. Alam nyo, nung hindi ako okay kahapon, nakahiga lang ako sa kama. Tapos after nung isang buong araw na yon, nung kinagabihan, nagluto ako nung gabi. As in, nagluto talaga ako na talagang akala mo, G na G magluto si ate mo. Akala mo, may asawa, nag-ayos-ayos ng luto-luto. Kasi nang hinayang ako sa isang araw na sabi ko, dapat gumalaw-galaw man lang ako kasi sayang yung oras. Alam nyo, parang sobrang hinayang ako palagi sa oras, guys. I don't know. Thank you, Baby Tower. Like, hindi natin namamalayan, guys. Parang, yung mga ibang bagay, sobrang nating bigyan ng importansya. Pero, little did we know that time is really the most important thing that we should treasure talaga. It is something na kapag ka nawala mo, you can afford, you really can't afford to have it back. Yung time. Kaya, I want us to learn to maximize our time. Like, every minute is important talaga sa life natin. It's already 10:48 in the evening here. Pose. Hi, Shish. You like GKT48? Yes. Hi, Ira. Hi. Sana okay ka na po. Yes, I'm good naman. Alam nyo guys, ito yung pinaka ayoko na ugali ko. Like, hindi naman ugali, parang traits na kapag hindi talaga ako okay, hindi ko alam yung pinanggagalingan bakit hindi ako okay. Kaya sobrang hirap alamin kung paano ko siya masosolusyonan. Kasi I don't know. I don't know why I don't feel good. I don't know why I'm not okay. I don't know why I don't have the, you know, the energy to do anything. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-motivate yung sarili ko. And bigla-bigla ako nagiging ganun minsan. Alam niyo, minsan 1 week akong walang gana, umaabot ng months, tas biglang may gana na ako ulit. So ngayon kasi, alam niyo ba, ginagawa akong schedule ang live. Hi Pretty P, thank you. Ginagawa akong schedule yung live ko na everyday. So I can say to myself na I did something sa isang araw. Parang ginagawa kong responsibility mag-live kasi it really helps me to do something sa isang araw eh. Kasi may mga times talaga na wala na akong nagawa sa isang araw kasi I feel so drained, exhausted, na hindi mo alam kung bakit. Thank you, Tenyum. Thank you, Drew. Hi, Sheila Gan. Stay healthy, Jem. I don't want you to get sick. Thank you, Maritza. Di ka na naka-sleepwear, ate. Kasi wala na akong sleepwear. Di pa ako naglalaba. Nasaan na ba si Kai Kai? Oh my God! Oh my gosh, bagay siya sa akin. Thank you, Pretty Peep. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you, Baby Tower. Thank you. Oh, wow! Bagay sa akin yung mga pink na gifts. You can try it also, guys. Hindi na daw po makakabalik si Kai Kai. Ay, bakit? Bakit na ano ba? Na checkpoint? Nasaan ka, ate? Nandito po ako sa kwarto. Ito na ako sa kama. Ate Jem, kanino ka lang? Hindi ko na din alam kung sino na ba nagmamay-ari sa akin. Hi, Ate Jem. Missed you po. I missed you too. You're too beautiful, Jem. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you, Ali. Thank you. Yes, I'm a member of MNL48. Nandito si Ira kanina, no? Thank you, Ira. Nabasa ko yung comment niya. Di ko alam kung nakapag-reply. Baka ako siya comment niya. Tap, guys. Oh, wow. Nga, nasa na yung mga Tupperwares natin. But thank you, guys. Road to 100k naman agad. Wala pa tayong 1 hour. Thank you, mga mahal ko. May grado ba yung salamin mo? Yes. Sabi nila -1. Pero hindi pantay yung grado ng mata ko eh. Good night, Juan Lucas. Hi, my Oshi Adele JKT48. Why are you so beautiful? I want to faint. You want to faint? Hi, Koala. Yes, I know you're there. Siya daw mag-explain sa DM. Okay. Hi, Jerry. Thank you for following me. Bakit hindi ka pa natutulog? Because I want to talk to you guys. Tara, Kod. Charot. Hi, Adara. Beautiful my cap. Hi, onti na lang. Thank you, guys. Happy 100k hearts, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Ellen. Thank you. Ang bias ko po sa Bini ay si Gwen. Si Gwen po ang bias ko sa Bini. Hi, Shimi. Hi. 100k na. Thank you so much. Sana pwede yan ay convert sa pera, no? Pero yun, guys, grabe kanina yung sinend ko yung guitar. Alam nyo na agad. Alam nyo na agad. Hi, Isa. Alam nyo na agad ko nung name ng guitar. Napakabilis nyo. Tapos hindi ko lang siya mahanap. Hindi ko lang ba't ko siya mahanap. Pero ang bilis yung hanapin. Parang I feel so walang kwenta. Hi for you. Oh, I don't know how to speak Indonesian, but I just know a few phrases. Yes, Ryan, you can leave. Yes. Of course. Go sleep na. You need the rest. Thank you, Ali. Thank you. Thank you. Can you say roar? Roar! Happy 100k hearts, everyone. You look so pretty, Jem. Thank you, mahal ko. Pero yun, guys, it's really my dream guitar. It's my dream guitar ever since. Last year ko ata siya naging dream guitar. And sabi niyo, sobrang mahal niya daw. Sabi niyo, tinignan ko rin ang mahal nga niya. Pero, grabe, I need to buy that guitar. Siguro pag-iipunan ko siya. That's why sobrang gusto ko na rin magkaroon ng work. Because I really want to have that guitar. That pink guitar. Sobra talaga. Gustong-gusto ko siyang bilhin. Dati, naipunan ko na siya eh. Umabot ako ng 13k. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung paano bibili. Nagastos ko na yung 13k. Pero kulang pa rin pala yung ipon ko na yun. So, ayun. Kailan ko kaya siya mabibili? Sana via. Thank you, Ali. Sana next year, mabili ko na siya. Ipunan ko. Kaso guys, legit ba kung online ako bibili? Wala ba yung physical store? Hi, Yaskar. Thank you, Freya Frey. Thank you, FGKT48 Freya. Say roar again, please. Roar! Roar! Ba't pusa? Roar! You Thailand? No, I'm a Filipina. I'm from the Philippines. Kaya yan, tiyaga lang. Wow naman na. Grabe na may motivation, tiyaga lang. Hindi, babibili ko yun. Mga next year siguro. Ipa-prioritize ko siya next year. I want to be notified by Sis Jem. Hi, Essie. Huwag masyadong matulog. Number start with 1, 2, 3. Melody start with Doremi. Can love start with you and I. Any tips so para hindi mahilo pag naikot habang sumasayaw? Hala, hindi ko po sure kasi hindi po ako umiikot pag sumasayaw eh. Hi, Al! Pagod ka na ba sa aktibidad mo? No! No, I'm not tired. I miss you so much, Ate Jem. I miss you too, Jillian. Hi, Victoria! Hindi na doon makakabalik, may nagsabi. Yeah, hindi na doon makakabalik si Kaika. I don't know what happened, but, you know, it's fine. Happy birthday to me. Hi, Maeva. I hope you enjoy your special day. I can speak English. I'm translating. Oh! Oh, wow. Hi! Hello, Samonya. Apakabar for you, JKT. Pangit kapag online. Physical store okay talaga para matest. Kaya nga eh. Pero I don't know where I can look for that particular guitar sa isang physical store. Hi, Marvel Official! Come on, don't leave me like this. Hi, Jem. Hi, Victoria. No, I'm from the Philippines. I'm not from Thailand. I'm not from Thailand. I'm from the Philippines. Manila, Philippines. Bakit ako nadidighay? Thank you, Ali. Thank you. Your brother passed away, Wata Sajara? Oh my gosh, please accept my condolences, Wata. Thank you for the gift, guys. You're from Indonesia? Hi, apa kabar? How are you, Jim? I'm good. Sana kayo din. Okay kayo. Sana okay kayo, guys. Pero guys, naranasan nyo na rin ba yung parang you have a problem but you don't know what's the problem? Parang hirap, no? Parang this past few days, yun talaga yung problem ko. Hi, Shish! Thank you, Shish! My language is Tagalog, of course. Hala, gusto ko mag-avocado. Hi, Aylin! Hi, King! Thank you! Natutulog ako mga 4 a.m. Mga 5, ganyan, 6. Oh, wow! Thank you, Maritza. Your heart beats so fast when you see me. I'm your Oshi. Terima kasih for you, JKT. Oh, talaga ba, Gar? Thank you, Gara. Ang cravings ko ngayong gabi ay gusto ko ng... Ano bang gusto ko? Parang gusto ko ng ng cheese stick. Gusto ko ng cheese stick, guys. I want to... Magkanta na nga lang tayo. Hello? Guys, do you want to sing? Hi, Zalwa. Ay, wow, bongga. Yes, I have my mic. Karaoke. Pero guys, thank you for all of your support. Like, thank you talaga. I can't wait na maging active na ulit ang MNL48 para... You know, makita-kita tayo, masupport nyo ako personally, may pakita ko sa management na, Management! I was able to fish some people through online. Alam nyo kasi dati, guys, well, sinasabi nila na kapag ka physical event, madali daw ako mang-fish ng tao pag physical event. Like, kapag ka nakikita niyo ako personally, kapag ka nakikita niyo ako na nagpe-perform, parang dun daw ako magaling maka-fish ng fans. If you will see me performing, if you able to interact with me, dun ako nakaka-fish ng fans. Pero pandemic happens, and most of our performances, most of our activities happened online. Mga Kumu Lives, online shows. So, it's really a struggle for me to... Kasi, that's reality, guys, eh. When you are in idol industry, you need to gain fans. You need to have a family, to have a team, to have supporters that will support you every time na may ganap ka, every time na may gagawin ka. Kasi at the end of the day, the reality is... You will have the exposure, you will have the position, you will you will have the good part if you have a solid and a good supporters na napapansin ng management nyo. That's reality eh. I mean, all of you knows that. Well, may fair treatment, oo. Pero at the end of the day, sometimes, it's the fans that can decide kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa Oshi nila. So, in our part, I really understand. In our part, we need to really double the effort to gain fans, to gain supporters. We really need to work on our personality, attitude, talents. Kasi yun yung unang makakapag-fish ng fans eh. Guys, kung alam mo talaga dati, nung unang-unang MNL48 ako, nung unang-unang start pa lang ng MNL, sobrang hindi ako alam kong magsalita. Pero kasi yung pagkasalita ko, masyadong matured. Yung pagkasalita ko, dahil nasanay ako nung college ako, since public administration ako, nasanay ako, ang salita ko is very formal, very masyadong paligal ang salitaan, ganon. Kaya nga, Debbie eh. So, I'm really struggling how to host, struggling how to connect with fans online. I'm really struggling how to showcase myself. So, nag-struggle talaga ako mag-gain ng fans. Kasi, I don't know how to show my personality. Well, I don't know how to, how to have a personality eh. Thank you! Hi, Jillian. So, talagang nag-struggle talaga ako before. Kung yun talagang yung mga unang admin ko, sina Ate Kim, yun talagang unang-una. Like, struggling talaga kami na parang konti lang yung mga exposure ko kapag merong alam niyo yung kapag merong mga vlogs, merong mga contents, sobrang konti lang na exposure ko. Kasi, syempre, magbe-base yun kung sino yung mga nanonood, sino yung request ng tao, sino yung magaling magsalita, sino yung pansinin, sino yung kwela, sino yung may dating pagdating sa camera. So, those are the things that they really consider. So, ayun, ganun ako nag-struggle before. Pero hindi ko siya tinik as a negative, a negative energy sa akin. Kaya sabi ko nga, I need to work on to my personality, myself, my looks. Oo. Siguro nakuha ko kayo sa mga pagkasalita ko before. Yun yung naging okay na ako. Pero nung unang-una talaga, hindi talaga ako okay, guys. Ang dami ko talagang flaws. So, I really work for it. Inalam ko kung paano maging kwela. Inalam ko kung paano maging humorous. Inalam ko kung paano manamit. Inalam ko kung paano maging maganda. Kasi di rin naman, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na kapag ka nakita nyo with MNL48 girls, ako yung tipo ng tao na syempre ang unang makaka-attract sa tao, yung ganda talaga eh. Ako talaga yung hindi mo ko makita na, ang ganda niya. Hindi ako ganun. Wala akong ganong factor. Na parang kapag nakita mo, syempre pagka nakahilera na yung girls, titingnan mo talaga kung sino yung maganda. Since medyo shy pang magsalita. Oo, sino yung maganda minsan. Siya yung unang mapapansin, minsan ganun. So, kapag minsan talaga, alam ko sa sarili ko na kapag tinignan yung mga girls, hindi mo talaga ako agad mapapansin. Kapag nakatayo lang akong ganyan, hindi ako, tapos nakahilera ko with the girls, hindi ako yung isa sa madalas mapansin sa mga ganun. So, kapag daw nag-perform ako, dun daw ako nagiging Oshi. Pero before ako maging ganito, guys, before ako maging ganun, ang dami kong, insecurities din. Pero hindi ko siya tinikas negative energy. Siyempre, masasaktan ka kapag konti yung exposure mo. Masasaktan ka pag wala kang ganito, wala kang ganyan. Kaya ang ginawa ko talaga I build myself. And yun sinasabi ko sa mga ibang girls ngayon na don't be sad kung ganito ang nangyayari ngayon sa inyo. Kasi yung pinagdaanan ng first gen dati, talagang we learn things in a hard way. Talaga. Hindi ko na sabihin yung mga things na talagang talagang nakasakit ng damdamin ko sa mga nangyayari before nung unang-una pa nung MNL. Pero madaming decision dati na parang pwede mo ma-question yung worth mo, maki-question mo yung talent mo, maki-question mo yung beauty mo, talagang ganon sa mga decision na marireceive nyo. Pero at the end of the day, you need to work for yourself talaga. ayun guys, ngayon, sobrang na-amaze pa rin ako kapag may nalalaman akong tao na fish ko online. Sobrang, really? Sobrang overwhelmed ko. Sobrang overwhelmed ko kapag mayroon akong nalalaman na fans na fish ko online. Kasi, yan ang weakness ko, guys. Yan ang weakness ko talaga. Ang weakness ko is makagain ng fans through online. Oo, kasi syempre kapag online, parang syempre yung ganda-gandahan. Ganon. Kala ko pa extrovert ka. Hindi ko ulit alam kung anong klaseng tao ako. Extrovert naman ako, pero dati kasi shy ako magsalita. So, ayun. Basta, ayun lang. The point is, hindi ako ganito dati. And kung paano ako ngayon, yung sinasabi niyo, ang galing ko magsalita, ang galing ko mga fish, ang galing ko maganda, I really, nagiging humorous ako. Humorous? I really learned things in a hard way talaga, guys. Parang ilang heartbreaks yung naranasan ko sa MNL. Ilang masasakit na announcement ang naranasan ko sa MNL before ako, kung paano ako ngayon. Cute yan, lalo nung AKB48 Fest ata, anong Thailand. So guys, ngayon, na pure online, talagang inalam ko kung paano, alam mo, points ko talaga kung paano dapat ako, paano ganyan. Tapos, I'm just so happy na, diba? Nakikita ko na may improvements naman sa akin. Kasi I was able to gain fans through online. Kaya sobrang happy ako, guys. Ngayon ko lang ito sinabi, sobrang happy ako na nakaka-gain ako ng fans na online lang. Kasi, weakness ko to, guys. Weakness ko to. Kaya napaproud lang talaga ako sa self ko. Weakness ko makagain ng fans through online lang. Ay, nahatak online. Guys, sobra. Weakness ko kasi to eh. Weakness ko to. Na makakuha ng tao. Na dahil lang napanood ako sa live. Nakita ko online. Wala lang. I'm just so proud of myself. And kayo dapat, sa mga maliliit na bagay na nagagawa nyo sa life nyo, be proud of yourself as well. You deserve a tap in the back. Kasi, everyday, kailangan may nagagawa tayo improvements sa life natin. So, you know, umiyak ba? Hindi ako umiyak eh. Ikaw iyak ka? Life story mo? Life story mo? Charot. Nahatak mo nga ako. Hi, Jan Kok. Yes, I'm the captain of MNL48. Dami nahatak. So, yon. Kasi syempre, ang support face ng isang tao sa isang artist or idol, limited yan eh. Hindi mo siya pwedeng sabing lifetime. Hindi pwede sabihin, well, may mga tumatagal of course. From bundok tapos nahatak ako dito. Pero ayun, limited lang kasi ang time ng supporting face mo sa idol eh. Limited lang yung time ng attention span mo sa pag-support sa idol. Limited lang yan eh. Kaya I really can't wait to MNL48 to be active again. Kasi gusto ko maramdaman yung support sa personal. Yung masaya tayo, ganon. Kasi wala lang. Baka mamaya yung span ng support, yung span ng mga nakilala ko dito sa live, matapos lang, nasa live lang din. Gets nyo? Sana, umabot yung attention nyo sa akin hanggang magkaroon na ulit ng ganap ang MNL. Yun lang. Thank you, Yuv. Okay naman, L. Oo naman, late man or early. It doesn't matter. What matter is you're here. Ilang tarp ang gusto mo? 10! Ha? Alam niyo guys, ang tawag ko kasi sa mga Team Pika Gems, bida-bida. Kasi bida-bida na ako ngayon eh. Hindi na ako yung dating shy-shy. So, lagi yung bida-bida. Kaya sabi ko sa Team Pika Gems, dapat bida-bida tayo ha. Bida-bida tayo dapat palagi. Pero hindi naman in a bad way. Wala lang bida-bida, mga Jollibee. Totoo, nakikita lang kasi ako. Kaya minsan pumunta sila sa mall show, naka-headband sila ng Pikachu. Tapos nagpagawa sila ng tarpaulin na 3 malalaki. nung mga last event namin nung No Way Man. Wala, ang cute lang. Hi, Vanessa. It's so cute. It's so cute lang. Ako na matagal na fan mo, pero di pa rin kita nakikita personally. Nagpa-raffle pa sila ng event, ng handshake event. Alam niyo, yun ang pinaka-memorable na handshake ko kasi yun yung time na may yun yung time na siguro na sabi kong pinakamaraming handshake ko sa buong MNL48 journey ko. Kasi syempre, tinatali din yan kung ilan yung mga nag-handshake per member and it matters then. And yun, tapos nagpa-raffle sila. I mean, it's so nice to see your supporters na, you know, na nagiging close sila. Yun din talaga yung gusto ko eh. Sining by Dionella. I love that song. Pero hindi ko pa siya masyadong kabisado. Hi, Kontol! Salamat, Sis Jem. Terima kasih as well. Thank you, Hiroki. Thank you. Let's come to Indonesia, Jem. Yeah, I want to visit Indonesia again. I want to go to Bromo. Sana maka-handshake si Ate Jem soon. Ay. Tapos, guys, sobrang happy ako kapag merong pumipili. Kasi mahal kasi ng merch eh. Tapos may pipila sa'yo para magpapirma. Like, isa or dalawang tao man yan. Parang I feel so very important naman. Ganun. Ayun lang. I'm just so happy to have you guys as my supporters. Ganun. Thank you, Elle. Thank you. Pero yun nga, lagi ko sinasabi, every time na may event, I'm not requiring everyone na pumunta, pilitin bumili ng merch, pilitin yung mga bagay na hindi natin kaya. Like, syempre, prioritize pa rin natin yung mga gastos na kailangan nating unahin, okay? Oo, hindi naman ako nakikipagkompetensya sa ganyan. Wala akong ganon sa sistema ko. Hi, kids! You're so beautiful. Thank you. Favorite member in JKT48? I love all of them, but my fave is Freya. Pagka nagka-event ulit, punta kayo, gagawa tayo photo card ni Jem. Tapos yan, gumagawa sila ng mga photo cards ko. Parang, ang cute. Kasi, kasi ang ganda ng photo cards ng TP. Meron kasing media team, yung Team Pika Jem. So, I'm just really proud of them. Kasi, ang gaganda ng mga output nila. Like, ang gaganda ng output nila, promise guys. Yung mga gumagawa sa TPJ, ang gaganda ng output nila, edits, everything, fan cam. Sobrang pretty. Kaya sabi ko, aba, mga bida-bida talaga, mga Jollibee talaga. Wow, we have the same favorite. Kaya kayo guys, if wala pa kayo sa GC ng TPJ, sa ngayon kasi medyo tahimik ang Team Pika Gems. Pero that's understandable. Kasi wala namang pag-iingayan. Kasi walang event. Ganda ng tote bag ng Team PJ. Gamit na gamit ko. Thank you po. Hoy, hindi Team PJ ang gumawa nun, agent. Meron lang someone na nagbebenta sa Shopee. Tapos Team Pika Gems. Kaya nagulat kami. Tapos binili nila lahat ng stock ng seller. Oo, yung tote bag kasi, someone nag-edit ng tote bag sa Orange app. Sa Orange app. Tapos, ang ginawa nila, inubos nila yung stock ni seller. Binili nila, tapos pinamigay nila. Yun yung ginawa nila. Diba? So nice! Guys, they're really nice. Team Pika Gems is really nice. Kahit sinasabihan silang elitista minsan. My best friend is in Laguna. Event na lang talaga ang kulang kap. Kaya nga siguro once makausad tayo sa summertime, tuloy-tuloy na din to. Ladi kaya. I just know a few phrases. Like for example, hello Samonya, apa kabar? My favorite JKT48 song is Rhapsody. Yes, I love Adele. It's already 11:14 na. Oh my gosh guys, 11:14 na pala. So guys, I think we need to end the live na rin maya-maya. So thank you guys. Ayun lang. Medyo kalat-kalat yung mind ko ngayon. Kaya kalat-kalat din yung words ko. Hindi ko ma-articulate ng maayos yung mga sinasabi ko, yung mga statements ko. Pero the bottom line is, I'm just so happy to have you guys. I'm just so happy that we're able to know each other in this lifetime. And ayun, you will always be part of my heart. And my journey, of course. Sumali kayo sa GC. May GC ang TPJ. Hindi naman nangangagat yan. Ano lang, konting ganun lang. Hoy, hindi 12. Mga 11:20 mag-end na ako. Promise, 11:20. Para makapagpahinga na rin kayo. If you feeling down, if you feeling stressed, if you feeling happy, just A. Ganda ka, girl. Hindi nga eh. Charis. Nakapag-event na ba kayo sa Tarlac? Nakapag-Tarlac na ba tayo? Pero ayun. Koala, good name. How do you get to know me? Hi, Shalagan. Thank you, Els. Thank you, guys, sa lahat ng gifts na binigay nyo tonight. Naka 469 tayo na power hugs. Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all of the power hugs. I really appreciate it. And 100 plus hearts. Thank you. Thank you, Blue Sky. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you, Jem. We have the same name. Thank you, Jem. Bukas, guys, magiging ano na ako. Magiging articulate na ako. Magiging maayos na yung mga sinasabi ko, guys. Balik na tayo sa sakitan session natin. Marami akong realization. Ililista ko na lang. Kasi baka di ko rin ma-explain ng maayos. Passed away? The member that you like passed away? Thank you for appreciating your fans. Very grateful, Kap. Oo naman, I will always appreciate you guys. Always talaga. Thank you, R. Thank you. 4 minutes before I end the live, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So, ayun, I will continue my application after this live. I hope I'll have the job that I've been looking for na. Sana makakita ko na job na mag-get along sa schedule ko as a member as well. And makagawa pa rin tayo ng daily lives. And, ayun, sana yung maayos na environment. Ayoko nilang toxic environment. And sana, hi Michelle. And, ayun lang. Sana yung matutustusan yung lahat ng luho ko sa buhay para makabili na ako ng gitarang gusto ko. Apply ka sa archives. Ate Cha, gusto ko nga doon. Ate Cha, sa tingin mo makukuha ako doon? Alam, talagang isinilalay kay Ate Cha. Nung Ate Cha, gusto ko doon. Nung sinan mo yun sa akin, gustong-gusto ko na talaga siya agad. Sabi ko, shucks, sana makuha ko doon. Makuha? Audition? Hi, Grevershe. So, ayun, mag-apply talaga doon. Tara na sa amin sa doon ka, Ate Cha! Oh my gosh! Doon ka! Hala, mag-a-apply na ako doon. Bulungan, charot. Bawal lang ganon. Bawal lang ganon. Hindi tayo magaganyan. Dapat fair. Gagalingan ko, Ate Cha. Sana bigyan nila ako ng chance kahit interview lang. Dadalhin ko yung mic ko sa interview. Ganito ako sa interview. Hi everyone! I'm Emmanuel Forte, Jem. Charis, hindi ka sabing Emmanuel ako. Ano mo sabihin ko? Hi guys! Tapos nung in-interview ka, no? Nung in-interview ka, kasi minsan, di ba nasanay tayo sa live, pag in-interview ka, hi guys! Nasabi yung guys sa interview. Magpasa ka na, hanapin ko sa HR yung application mo. Wait, sige! Ayoko, excited na ako! Nung sinan mo sa akin yung Ate Cha, hindi ko alam na dun ka. Pero shucks, gusto ko dito. Patulong din po sa paghahanap. Get well soon daw po, sabi ni Kai Kai. Ako po? May sakit po ba ako? Parang hindi po ako aware na may sakit po pala ako. May sakit po ako? Get well soon po sa akin o sa ibang tao po niya sinabi yan? Nagka-travel yung mga tao sa division na yun. Hoy! Ate! Ito na! Dalawa lang ang pagpapasahan ko, Ate Cha. Yung DB2 and yung archives. Yun lang. Kasi nung college ako, dalawa lang din yung application na pinagpasahan ko. Baka gano'n din sa work, dalawa lang din. Ha! Napaka-feeling! Wala pa naman ako experience. Oh, paano kaya ako makikipag-competition sa kanila? Wala akong experience sa work. I still don't have any experience, but I learned a lot in life. I know that time is gold and love is blind. Keme. Hello, Samoanya! Konnichiwa! Camera, iba pala yun. Anyways, guys, 1 minute na lang before I end my live. So, thank you so much. Wow, mag-practice na ako. Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa jimaima desu, jerte yonde kudasai. Kagananin ko na lang siya kapag di ko na alam. Hontoni! Anyways, guys, thank you for watching here sa TikTok. Buti hindi kayo nagsasawa sa akin, guys, no? Kasi alam nyo, kapag nagla-live ako, kakapasok mo lang, mag-end na ako. Bukas ka na lang ulit manood, bebe ko. Bukas na lang. Alam nyo, guys, minsan natatakot ako. Nag-i-Spanish class doon. Saan? Sa archives? Hala, ate, gusto ko ulit ituloy yung Spanish class ko eh. Doon na talaga ako. For me, yun na talaga ako. Quello de Ria. Kakantahan ko sila ng Quello de Ria. Hice podía hacer el amor por telepatía. And it's Chenadía, and it's Chenadía. I know I'm just a flight away. If you want, you can take a private plane. Ala, Ate Cha, ito na talaga yon. Ate Cha, feeling ko kailangan mo siya gawan ng para. Ha? Kailangan mo siya. Kailangan gawan ng paraan. Guys, mag-end na nga tayo. Sasayawan ko sila ng Despacito. Yung sinayaw ko ng audition. Charot. Guys, mabuti hindi kayo nagsawa sa akin, no? So, magpapaalam na ako. Baka nagsawa na kayo sa akin. Mag-usap tayo later. O, sige, mag-usap tayo later, te. Mag-uusap talaga tayo, te. Wait lang, guys. Guys, thank you for watching my live, okay? Ganda mo kaya, paano kami magsasawa? Napaka-drama nyo. Uy, basta wag kayong magsawa sa akin kasi kahit nagkasawa na ako sa inyo. Ako pala yung nagsawa. Parang na-excite si Kap. Lahat naman excited ako. Kasi meron ako in-applyan. Hindi ako na-replyan. May 3 akong pinasahan. Hindi ako na-replyan. Sabi ko, ayaw mo ako replyan na. Iba-block kita. Charot. Hindi ako na-block. Hintay mo rin ng reply. Pero ayun guys. Thank you guys. Nagugutom na din ako. So kailangan ko. Hi! Thank you Bachelor of. Thank you. So bukas na lang tayo bumawi sa ano natin. Sa goal natin. Okay? Block na po kita sa 1 pala. Thank you guys. Arigatou gozaimasu, Yasuminasai. Thank you for being my everyday vitamins. Charis. Yasuminasai. Take good care of yourself and please take good care of your heart. Choose happiness every day, everyone. Goodbye. Love you.
Okay, fine, huh? Shoot for you, my baby.